Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to fix inverted camera on Instagram video call. If your Instagram video call camera is inverted, here are some ways to fix it. First is to restart the application. Simply close the Instagram completely and reopen it and try making a new video call. Second fix is to update the Instagram application. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. After that, tap on Update button to update it to the latest version. Third fix is to restart your phone. A simple restart can refresh your camera settings. If the issue still persists, you can uninstall the Instagram application and install it once again. Tap and hold on Instagram application and click on Remove app and tap on Delete application. You will get a prompt like this. Simply tap on delete and it will be deleted. After that, install it from the App Store or Play Store. So that is how you can fix inverted camera on Instagram video call. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.